My stepdaughter and I just finished putting together this artificial tree by BCP, and it took just a couple of minutes. It has the 3 pieces that just fit into each other, and of course it comes with the base. This one is not pre-lit, which is really great because then that way you can choose the lights that you want to put on here. You can go with the colors, you can go with the warm, the bright. It is totally up to you. This one is a 6-footer. You can get smaller. I think you can get like 4.5 feet, and then you can get up to 9 feet. So obviously depending on the space that you have. And this one here also comes in white, which is really nice. And so one of the things you have to keep in mind is really important with these trees. When they arrive out of the box, they're completely squished together. So you actually have to like flock the branches, which basically means you need to pull them apart. They're all here like on these like wires, so you can actually pull and tug and move these in any direction that you need to. So if you've kind of put your tree together and you take a step back and you're like, whoa, it's like missing some branches in this part. No, you just need to kind of rearrange them, pull them around, which is really, really easy to do. They do suggest anywhere between like half an hour and like 120 minutes to actually properly put it together. We took about 5 minutes. So of course, you know, in 5 minutes doesn't look so bad, but I definitely need some more time to kind of fix that. But yeah, if you are looking for a not pre-lit artificial tree, this one's great.